Picture this. It's early morning, you're rushing to get out the door, and all you want is a quick, nutritious smoothie to fuel your day. You head to your kitchen counter, where a compact blender awaits. But which one is it? A Nutribullet or a Magic Bullet? At first glance, they might seem like twins separated at birth, with their sleek designs and promises of effortless blending. Yet, beneath the surface, these two kitchen gadgets tell very different stories. In this deep dive, I am pitting Nutribullet against Magic Bullet in a head-to-head battle to uncover which blender truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. From power and performance to design and price, I'll blend through every detail to help you decide. So grab a seat and let's mix things up. Power and performance. When it comes to raw power, Nutribullet clearly takes the lead. The base model, like the Nutribullet 600, boasts a 600-watt motor, while higher-end models like the Nutribullet Pro 900 pack a whopping 900 watts. In contrast, the standard Magic Bullet operates at a modest 250 watts. This power gap translates directly to performance. In blending tests, Nutribullet models consistently outperform Magic Bullet, especially with tougher ingredients. For instance, the Nutribullet 600 can handle fibrous vegetables, raw nuts, and ice with ease, creating smooth, consistent blends. The Magic Bullet, however, struggles with these tasks, often leaving chunks in smoothies or failing to crush ice effectively. Video comparisons show Nutribullet liquefying berries completely in just 10 seconds, while Magic Bullet leaves remnants behind. If you're blending daily or tackling challenging recipes, Nutribullet's superior motor strength makes it the better choice. Magic Bullet, though, can still handle basic tasks like soft fruit smoothies or simple food prep, making it adequate for occasional use. Capacity and versatility are another area where Nutribullet pulls ahead. The standard Nutribullet 600 offers a 24-ounce cup compared to the Magic Bullet's 18-ounce tall cup. This difference might seem small, but it matters when preparing larger servings or batch blending. Nutribullet also offers models like the Nutribullet blender with a massive 1.6-liter jug, ideal for family-sized portions or diverse recipes like soups, sauces, and nut butters. Magic Bullet, on the other hand, sticks to smaller, personalized cups, limiting its versatility for bigger tasks. In terms of recipe range, Nutribullet's powerful motors and specialized blades allow to tackle a wider array of ingredients, from frozen fruits to hot liquids, thanks to vented pitchers designed for heat. Magic Bullet is more restricted, often struggling with thicker mixtures or recipes lacking sufficient liquid. For those who want a blender that adapts to various needs, Nutribullet offers far greater flexibility. Blade design and quality. Blade design plays a crucial role in blending efficiency, and here again, Nutribullet has an edge. Nutribullet blenders feature extractor blades and milling blades designed for optimal nutrient extraction, turning ordinary ingredients into smooth, nutrient-rich blends. These stainless steel blades are mounted in a sturdy metal assembly, ensuring durability and precision. Magic Bullet also uses stainless steel crossblades, positioned to create a vortex for thorough mixing, but they're less robust and can struggle with tougher ingredients. Users note that while Magic Bullet blades are durable for basic tasks, they don't maintain the same sharpness or efficiency over time compared to Nutribullet's higher quality design. This difference becomes evident in tasks like grinding nuts or milling flour, where Nutribullet performs consistently well and Magic Bullet shows limitations. For long-term reliability and smoother results, Nutribullet's blade technology stands. Build quality and durability. Build quality is a significant differentiator between these two brands. Nutribullet blenders are often described as feeling like full-size blenders, with thick, sturdy blending cups and heavier-duty components. The motor base is stable during operation, and the overall construction suggests longevity, even with frequent use. Magic Bullet, by contrast, has a lighter grade build that feels less premium. Users report issues like motor bases jumping around during blending and a higher likelihood of parts breaking over time. Nutribullet's sturdier design withstands wear and tear better, making it a more reliable choice for regular users. Magic Bullet's lighter construction might suffice for occasional blending, but it doesn't match Nutribullet's durability for sustained performance. Additionally, Nutribullet's BPA-free dishwasher-safe cups add a layer of convenience and safety that aligns with its higher build standard. Ease of use and features. Both blenders are designed for simplicity, but Nutribullet often offers more user-friendly features. Most Nutribullet models, like the Nutribullet blender, include multiple speed settings, high and low, and a pulse function for precise control over recipes. Magic Bullet typically sticks to a single-speed operation, limiting customization. Both use a press-down mechanism to activate blending, acting as a safety switch, but Nutribullet's design feels more intuitive and secure. Nutribullet also enhances usability with extras like the free Nutribullet Recipes app, offering smoothie ideas and nutrition tips. Magic Bullet comes with additional cups and lids in sets like the 11-piece set, which is handy for multiple users, but lacks the advanced controls or digital support of Nutribullet. Cleaning is straightforward for both, with dishwasher-safe components, except the power base, though some users find Magic Bullet's blade undersides trickier to clean. Price and value for money. Price is where Magic Bullet gains ground. The standard Magic Bullet 11-piece set retails around $40.61, making it a budget-friendly option for basic blending needs. Nutribullet models, like the Pro 900, cost more, often around $87.62, reflecting their enhanced power and features. While the upfront cost of Nutribullet is higher, many users find the investment worthwhile due to superior performance, durability, and versatility. Magic Bullet offers decent value for those with minimal blending needs or tight budgets, but its limitations in power and capacity can frustrate over time. Nutribullet, though pricier, delivers better long-term value, especially for frequent users or those tackling diverse recipes. Your choice here depends on how often you blend and what you're willing to spend for quality. So, which is better? After blending through the details, it's clear that Nutribullet generally outshines Magic Bullet across most categories. With stronger motors, larger capacities, better blade designs, and sturdier builds, Nutribullet is the go-to for anyone serious about blending, whether it's daily green smoothies or hot soups. Magic Bullet holds its own as an affordable, no-frills option for simple tasks, but it falls short with tougher ingredients and long-term reliability. If budget is your primary concern, Magic Bullet might suffice. However, for performance and versatility, Nutribullet is the champion. Consider your blending habits. Occasional users might lean toward Magic Bullet, while kitchen enthusiasts will appreciate Nutribullet's robust capabilities. Which will you choose to power up your kitchen?